Well, with the weather warming slightly and spring just around the corner, our dustless blasting business owners have been busy with projects all over the country. In Lithia, Florida, Tampa Bay Dustless Blasting stripped this rare 1939 Ford Cabriolet. Of course, dustless blasting removes primer, paint, rust, and body filler in one step, leaving a perfect surface for paint. Over in Pulaski, New York, Pearson Precision Blasting made this concrete truck look like brand new. And in Amarillo, Texas, Blastaway LLC removed the smoke damage from the masonry in this home. That's just a few of our ever-expanding network of dustless blasting business owners who are ready to tackle your surface preparation projects. Let's welcome some new folks who just picked up their mobile machines this week. There's J.D. Reynolds in Franklin, North Carolina, Master Blaster FL in Boynton Beach, Florida, and Motor City Surface Restoration in Flint, Michigan. Well, hey, if you need something blasted, Google Dustless Blasting to find a contractor near you. And if you want to be the dustless blasting guy in your area, check out our website. Have a great week, and please like and share this video if you enjoyed it.